Hi everyone. Today we're going to discuss about one of the key functionality in a Fusion accounts receivable model. The functionality name is the short form we can call as a BFB. It's nothing but balance forward billing functionality, which we'll use for across multiple clients in order to send consolidated transactions to the customers. So for that, we need to have a couple of prerequisite setups, which we are going to get into discuss about it now. So functionality is that how to create balance forward billing receivables. As I mentioned that it's called as a BFB, the short form. And there are two jobs are there. One is parent job, another one is child job. That we'll discuss once all the setup is configured, and then we'll do the one test case, and then we see the how to run these jobs and what is the importance to run these jobs. Yes, setups. Offerings financials, function area billing, task is balance for billing. What are the prerequisite setups are required? First of all, so what is the balance for billing? So balance for billing is nothing but whereas sorry, whereas the customer can get the consolidated transactions from the client. So that's where you can use balance for billing. It's nothing but as like So ideally, what we used to do, we used to create transactions and we'll be sending out the one printed copy of the invoice for one invoice. That's how we used to send. But by using this functionality, instead of sending by each invoice copy as separately, here we can send a consolidated files. Files in the sense, this is one consolidated invoices, including all of them. So that's where we can use balance forward billing. This is one of the key functionality in AR, which will be used asked also in the interview point of view also. So what are the setups are needed in order to perform this functionality? So first thing is that statement cycles and balance forward billing cycle, either daily, weekly, monthly. These are the three things are there. And balance forward billing, payment terms, create profile class, and assign to customer. So these are the four setups are required in order to create BAB invoices. So once we configure these four setups, and then we'll start create one customer and assign the profile class what we created, and then we do the best practice of that to create two transactions, and then we see that like either we are able to run the BAB program or not. Let's get into application. Yeah, as I mentioned, the first setup is statement cycles. Navigate to setup and maintenance. Go to global search. Manage statement cycle. Just click on plus icon. Just I'm giving here name convention is simply for testing purpose. Okay. The real time, the client will give the all these setups related information. Based on that, we can configure here. Okay, for demo purpose, I'm just giving the some naming convention as the 80 statement cycle and intervals. As I mentioned, monthly, weekly, and quarterly also we have. And the statements we can send the daily and other things as well that we'll see. So here you can keep it as a weekly basis. Just keep it description as this, save and save and close. So one task is completed. Second one, manage balance forward billing cycle. Call out. Here already some of the people already created the demo instance. So just click on plus icon to create our own cycle, saying that 80 billing cycle. Started, you can give the last day whenever you want, you can give it. I'm giving in the last year. And here you can say frequency, the cycle when to run, daily, monthly, and weekly. So if you select daily, see how it looks like, repeated every 1 day or how it is. And here you can see select monthly. So now you can see it is automatically showing up the all the things here. Repeat monthly once and select which date you want to run the or generate the PAB files. That's what it is asking us. If you are choosing month, then you can keep it as a last day of the month, as well as if it needed, or you want to run any specific cutoff date. Example, 30th. Then you can select 30th and save and close. Or if you take as, there also one more thing, exclude Saturday, Sundays. It will take only working days Monday to Friday. And weekly, bi-weekly, you can say weekly once, and which date the report has to generate. Today is Thursday. As testing purpose, we can give as a Thursday and click on done. So billing cycle also we created. Save and close. Next is manage receivables payment terms. So here payment terms are most important. Optionally or mandatorily, we will assign the billing cycle here. That I will show you how to do that. Just click on plus icon. Payment terms set is common set. And here you can give 80 PT terms. Copy paste the description. Billing cycle is not a mandatory, but even though also, but the best practice is that provide the which is the one you want to keep it up. Select 80. What we created the previous cycle. 80. Okay, and set discount base. So which one you want to select? You want to give the discount, on what basis you want to calculate the discount? Either invoice amount or lines, freight, items, tax. So ideally, discount amount you can choose it off. And here you can installment option is that include tax and freight first installment. So this get automatically populated here. This is when the customer is going to make a payment, which are days, 30 days from the invoice date. Yes, save and close. Here what we did, created payment terms and assigned the cycle also, billing cycle. Okay, yes, done. Then receivables. Profile class. Customer profile class. Family symbol 80. And here select collector name, which collector you want to keep it as, and choose here. This is the setup billing forward, sorry, balance forward billing is the under the session. We need to enable this particular checkboxes. Once you enable it here, it will ask warning message, no issues. And here select this is the what you need to understand. Account under site. Okay, if you want to keep running the BAB report based on the which site, which level, either site or account level. If you select site, so what will happen? Bill to site is the right. So based on that, the system will be able to generate the statements. And if you select account, it will take the complete sites. So how many we have? Based on that, it will generate the billing forward bills. Okay, balance forward billings. So you can keep it as account now. And here if you go to select bill type is details or summary. Take it as a details. And payment is what we created 80. Just search it, create 80, add it, and monthly statement also created. Here we have 80. Just select our own statement cycle. That's all. So in this page, this is the important. So here the most important point is that balance forward billing to enable it at what level you want to enable. This is the one key decision which you need to make. Save and close. So that's all. Just check that either our profile class created or not appropriately. This is always better way to cross validate or functionality is created or not. Search it whether it is available or not. Yes, it is available. It is now available. So now what can be done? Next setup is that create customer and assign the profile class what we created now. Go to the billing task, create customer, keeps customer name is 80 customer. I'm giving these things for just demo purpose only. 80 customer, easy way to to demonstrate of the demo session. Okay, select customer. What are these things are we need? Address set is customer site, and then provides site name is 80 customer site. Copy paste as address also. But real time you have to give the proper address here. Choose Maryland here. Maryland. Select pin code. Purpose, you need to add the purpose, bill to and ship to. Ship to and bill to. Here you can see bill ship to is that. Then select the bill to address what we created with the previously. So that's all we have to do it here. Save and close. Okay. So now click on account. Correct record to change the default profile class here. What we created 80, right? So that we need to choose here. Choose it. So automatically this all the fields will get changed as per the our profile class. Now you can notice it got enabled automatically because which was done in the previous step. So that's where it is coming up. So everything look fine. Statement cycle 80. I don't know why it is not changed here. Okay. And then save and close. Similarly, we are to do the same thing site level. So site level is automatically took from the account level. Here you can see it automatically from the account side account profile level what we have given, right? Yes, looks everything's fine now. Save and close. So now what we have performed, we have configured all the configurations which other things are needed. Now go back to navigation, billing to do the testing. So click on create transaction, select business unit, and select bill to name 80 customer tab out. You can see automatically this all the fields got populated automatically. Test. Yeah, 10 that. Save. Click on complete and review. Go to action. Account draft. Save and close. That's all. Save and save and close. Create another one invoice. Create transaction. Business unit. Just BAB 20 $100. Save. Content review. Action. Account draft. Save. Okay. Save and close. So now we performed all the configurations and we have created two transactions also called save customer. Keep in mind one common tip here. The BAB will be run based on the specific payment terms. It means that we shouldn't use the normal payment terms what we have in the application. We should always enable the right payment terms which can be used for the only BAB purpose only. Okay. So go to navigator. Schedule process. Click on schedule process, new process. Click further. This is the ESR job name. Create balance forward bills. Tab out. The description will says about generates balance forward bills. Use draft mode to review. Use final mode for distribution to customers. Okay, two ways we can run it. That we will see here how to run. Yeah, these are the parameters. Here you can see print final balance forward bills. That's what they are referred over there. And print draft balance forward bills. And choose business unit. This is the one. Output cycle is 80. Here you can choose USD dollar. So this is the parameters as a mandatory. Optionally, we can select the if you want to run the any specific customer, we can run for them. And side also we can see these are the optional fields which we have by run the payment terms and draft email ID and all of them we have. We can guide the business users to choose which are the way they want to run the BAB program. So now as a testing purpose, you can submit the program and take process ID. This is the one. Say okay. Refresh until the process get completes. Now you can see this is the parent job. So if everything is correctly working right now, the system will generate another child program that is called as this is the one print balance. Print detailed balance forward bills. This is the parent and this is the sub process of the child parent program. Sorry. Click on the first one. So how to find out the parent ID of the sub process? Here you can see parent ID. Here you can notice it. This is the way you can easy to identify either that is a child job or it's a parent job. If this parent job ID is available, it means that there would be some kind of child programs also will get triggered. So here you can see the republish tab. Instead of going there, just you can click on output name. Click on it. The report will get generated. Sure, I will share the new one. Yeah, I hope you are able to see my screen now. Yeah. So here you can see. So this is what we created. The customer name is 80 customer site and so on so address and remit address. These things are automatically picked up. And this is the billing number, which we didn't create, right? So system automatically generated the billing number to make consolidated these two invoices into the one invoice copy. Here you can see. This is the invoice type, description, invoice name, it's invoice number, quantity, unit price, total amount. This is the also total amount. And here you can see due is no. Total amount is that 3240. So this is the how we can create BFB report. Report in the sense invoices as a consolidation level sent to customers to get the collections at one shot. And other way you can see this invoice, either system has created billing number or not. That we can, I will show you where should you go and check it out. So this is the way, just go to navigator. Go to billing, task, manage transactions, call out the date, today date. You can give the name is customer name, which only we know that. With the customer. Search. So these are the two. Yeah, these are the two invoices we created now. So if you go and open any of the invoice number, go to show more. Here you can notice it. Billing number 12006. The same thing what we have shown here. The same. So this is how we can cross verify either this transaction has been generated as part of the BAP or not. From here only we can get to know that. Then we can run the program again. So this is how we can do the configurations and transactions and run the programs. Program name called as a create balance forward bills. This is the child program. Print detailed balance forward bills. Yeah. Thanks for watching my video. Please watch the videos and do subscribe and share it and like it. So it will reach you to more people where it will be helpful for them. Thank you.